how to get free virtual credit card for verification and trials. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to get your own free virtual credit card. Now you will be able to get your free virtual credit card by going to app.privacy.com. This platform or this website will allow you to create a free virtual credit card just like this one over here. You will be able to set some limitations, how much you would like to be spent on, and all of those things. Now right now, I have created one over here, and as you can see, I have a nickname for my virtual credit card, my total spending limit, and also I have a funding source over here. I could easily pause and close this app. Now you will be able to activate your own card, this free virtual credit card, by completing your profile and registration. And so that's basically it guys. Feel free to visit this website and you will be able to get your own card. Hope you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.